Alright, everybody, welcome back. It is afternoon now. If you saw earlier, I did my morning outlook on what I thought the E-mini S&P might do today. Right now, it is approaching 1:30 Eastern Standard Time p.m. in the afternoon of the same trading day, May 31st, 2023. And if you remember earlier this morning, we were probably trading right around in here, right around 4201. I said looking at this, I thought the market would be reaching the close this particular daily gap. This is a daily chart right here. Now still, as I stated in my other video, I still think the overall draw for the market is up at this swing point on the weekly chart. But as far as the daily went, I felt that we could get down to close this gap, which would close right at 41.75. I think right around 41.75.50 or something like that. And as you see, what's the low on this candle? 41.74.00, man. So far we did what I said I thought we would do, but I also said I thought we could get down from these areas, get down into this gap, which once it hit this point right here, this would close. This would close that daily gap, this high from Thursday, because the gap is the high of Thursday and the low of Monday, what was in between. And so I thought that we could at least close that up. And as you see, we did. We got down into this gap. We've closed that. We got as low as right here. And now we're getting the push back up. I thought we could get down here possibly and then get us a push back up, starting to come toward these equal highs right here. Now whether or not it does that, I'm not sure. I mean, we'll just see, what the market decides to do. Right now we got right down in this gap, which, like I said, marking right here that daily gap closed. Boom, we'll just put a line there, for visual purposes. Once it hit that, man, you see we didn't go any further. We closed that daily gap, and now we're starting to come back up. We've been having trouble with this gap, but I'm anticipating the market to get back up into this area, possibly trying to attack the swing. Now it will be interesting. That's what I think we can do, get back up here. But the market could still get in here. At the end of the day, it could decide to, what, we want to drop even lower, get even friskier, get even more boisterous, and start to get down to 41, 47, somewhere in that area. But right now, I mean, the market did what we thought the market might do. It's going up. Let's look at a 5 minute to see if there were any plays since it hit that line, closed that gap. Okay, there was a possible play right here on the 5 minute chart. That would be considered a breaker. Boom, right there. Once we got that closure above, we came right down into the breaker, push back up, push back up. The market tried to scale some people off, wick below the breaker, but didn't violate this low. And now it's heading back up. Look at it, look at it. It's getting boisterous. The market's getting boisterous. Look at it, starting to go. So this is also a crucial area. We'll see how it acts. Coming into this, we could see how it wants to act coming right into here. This is going to be an interesting area, this candle right here. And so we're going to see if it's going to violate it, get past 50% of it and close. Then I think we're going to keep going. If not, we could get a hit, come back down, hit 50% of it, come back down. But anyway, so that's my afternoon outlook. Just checking back in after what we discussed might happen this morning. And like I said, man, it doesn't matter if the outlook is right, doesn't matter if the outlook is wrong. It just matters that you start to draw your own thesis, come up with what you think the market is going to do, find a place to execute. All right, I'm out.